Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be comparing two popular air fryers from Ninja, the AF161 Max XL air fryer and the SP101 digital air fry countertop oven. We will be evaluating each product based on several categories to help you make an informed decision on which one is best for you. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Both the AF161 and the SP101 are priced at $149, making them quite affordable for their features and functionality. The AF161 has a 5.5 quart basket, while the SP101 has a larger 45% usable pan area, which can fit up to a 13-inch pizza or 6 chicken breasts. Depending on your cooking needs, you might find one of these sizes more suitable. Both the AF161 and SP101 offer versatile cooking programs such as air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The SP101, however, has more functions such as toasting darkness selector, and keep warm, which makes it more versatile for meal making. The AF161 has Max Crisp technology, which delivers 450 degrees of superheated air to cook foods up to 30% faster for hotter, crispier results with little to no oil. Meanwhile, the SP101 has Digital Crisp Control technology, which offers precision-controlled temperature, heat source, and airflow for optimum cooking performance. Both products claim to reduce up to 75% of fat when compared to traditional deep frying methods. The AF161 has a ceramic-coated non-stick basket, which is dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Meanwhile, the SP101 comes with a removable crumb tray and an easily accessible back panel for deep cleaning, making it a breeze to clean up after cooking. And that concludes our comparison of the Ninja AF161 Max XL air fryer and the SP101 digital air fry countertop oven. As you can see, each product has its unique features and advantages. Ultimately, the decision on which product is right for you will depend on your personal cooking needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thank you for watching.